Welcome to NeoEnglish, the daily podcast for beginner English learners. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Emma. Today we explore a recent news story from The Verge about Sony, Tencent, and a game called Light of Motiram.
The headline says Sony's legal battle against Tencent's Horizon clone is already over, which is a good example to learn new words.
In simple terms, Sony said Light of Motiram looked and felt like Horizon, and they took legal action.
They reached a confidential settlement, meaning both sides agreed to end the dispute without a public court decision.
Light of Motiram is no longer listed on Steam or the Epic Games Store, so people cannot buy it there anymore.
A key word here is clone, which means a copy of something, often similar but not the same.
Example 1: Light of Motiram being called a clone of Horizon means it imitates the look and idea of Horizon.
Example 2: if a game copies another game too closely, many people call it a clone, but we can also say a design clone or a character clone.
The word settlement means an agreement to end a dispute, sometimes with money or terms.
Example 1: the two companies reached a settlement after talks. Example 2: the settlement terms are confidential.
Confidential means information kept secret or private.
Example 1: the settlement is confidential, so reporters may not know all the terms. Example 2: they signed a confidential contract.
The story shows that legal battles like this happen in tech and entertainment when big firms protect their brands.
Behind the scenes, Horizon is a well-known Sony game series, and Light of Motiram is from Tencent.
The Verge is a trusted news site we use to explain current events in simple English.
How can we use this in conversation? You can talk about settlements, clones, and stores removing games.
Here are 2 short dialogues you can practice.
Practice dialogue 1: have you heard about the Sony and Tencent case? Emma says yes. They settled, and Light of Motiram was removed from stores.
Practice dialogue 2: do you think cloning in games is fair? Andrew replies, it depends. A clone copies ideas but not the whole game.
Now a quick recap of key vocabulary: settlement, confidential, clone, lawsuit.
How to use them: settlement is an agreement to end a dispute. Confidential means secret. Clone means a copy.
Other useful phrases: reach a settlement, no longer listed, filed a lawsuit, court decision, talks.
Recap of the story: Sony settled with Tencent over Light of Motiram, which was accused of cloning the Horizon series, and Light of Motiram is no longer on major stores because of the settlement.
Recap of the vocabulary and phrases: settlement, confidential, clone, lawsuit, reach a settlement, no longer listed stores, terms.
If you don't want to miss the daily news, you can subscribe to NeoEnglish and hear a new episode every day.